Hello, classmates. This is my video to you all from Davao. It is so hot here.
And now it's so cold.
I'm gonna make you see the water underwater. I'll let you see underwater. Oh, he wants to see the underwater. What are you? Here is the underwater. Hindi. Papakita ko muna. Ano yung itsura sa ilalim.
You need a waterproof phone.
Tingnan mo, ang isla.
Ayusin mo paghawak yan, hindi mo cellphone yan.
And that's the end of my greetings to you all. From Davao to Manila.